state for a better future. Let's do this together in peace and harmony. CC go take us there to the promised land. No one will stop us now. No, 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 no. CC go take us there to the promised land. No one will stop us now. No, 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 no. Amazonia, Amazonia, the time of freedom has come today.
Fellow Ambazonians, fellow people of the Southern Cameroon Territory, you are welcome today to the No Conny Talk Show. Today we get the Savannah updates. One come for update una for which will happen across the Savannah states from Kugwe to Bambili, and also for give una some few updates where they go on even right for the Atlantic state, for give una at least a general review of the Ambazonian revolution. Una also there for the media for prepare for the national takeover when a very big ambitious project where go involve our civilian. We struggle for stay focused, but every single day we go to get distraction, and we hope we expect for get such distraction increasingly towards the last days we expect say Mr. Pobia go die, or we they go announce Mr. Pobia is dead. So I want to welcome all now for this platform. So all na be highly welcome na a new platform, as we know na the name for the platform na Abakwa Amba. Now the substitute platform would use them because Facebook they try to do everything for block we and for make sure so we no get a voice out. So I advise una and for direct una also for my YouTube channel when for them most of our followers and now they rely more on YouTube and on WhatsApp. So after every publication we will make sure so we will cut some except them and then we will share them also for WhatsApp. So if you know there for WhatsApp group Kunta Kinte group, now the group that way we get a lot of our followers and advisors where they did receive our information, and some of the activists them for Ground Zero as well. So anybody way you want join that chat group, me if you ask me, and I also place where they deposit our podcast day every day. So all now be welcome today now number 17 day for the month of April 2020 and a Friday. So Shabbat Shalom for all man. I throw a salute for all man we did from Amazonia for all our general them are called Una Cafe. Una Cafe then for up. I salute our Supreme Commander for General Efang. We did for Ground Zero na a formidable leader with see leadership skills every day, and we thank God for his life, and for all the coordinators them for Ground Zero. I salute Una and all the various groups them where they be there under the SACO, the county group, the way they don't come for collaborate with we for make sure say we go collaborate instead of fighting each other. I want for salute una and for salute una courage. Every single day, new and new groups that they come up for collaborate more and more increasingly. Now we get an entire structure the way they come collaborate. So I want to thank in particularly the leadership for the Mezam. They call it still this Mezam County people the way they can join we, and we hope so we'll go collaborate more and for improve the situation for Ground Zero, for enable us for bring order, for stop kidnapping for ransom way then become a big threat for our revolution, and for make sure some will be effective for prosecute our revolution. So all na be highly welcome. I go continue for rely on this. I see Martin Monono. Yeah, I wanna know already our principle them. Our principle no be about popularism. So it no matter for we, no matter even if a lot of people they not be aware, but we know say our messages will always go out and our influence be more important than the popularism, even though both be equally needed. But we see focus for put out our message, for play the vital role they play for the revolution, and that is the most important thing. But nevertheless, I'll still invite you for share so that we'll get a more interactive presentation. As usual, we will start with our national anthem, and then from there we will go for a music where I will take that time for welcome all man, call all man for a name, and salute all people the way they could come watch me later on. And then after I will play I could go directly for our presentation. I could give una very detailed report. As I began talk, the revolution shall not be televised. I could tell una the massacre we go on for Nwa during this week. We happen for some small village for they call us in court. I could give una the details. Some power that I'm Bonnie alive. The chief for they then catch the chief, begin work around the harassing people them. They don't seize all cow them for inside that village. Then seize all goat them. They don't carry them. Some Hausa people they come from Nigeria. They don't take and go back. I will give una details. I will also give una details about what did happen for inside Kugwe and the investigation way the CIC, Dr. Chuayaba Idam, demand me an independent investigation. It happened. So we will give those. I'll give una the information will be public and the one that will be put on public. I will also play the audio from General Ifang and the commander on the ground. The audio they were one also play them. But unfortunately, because of the investigation where they go on, I'm not going to be able to play them. But I will give una a brief information about that. I will also come for Bambili for inform una about the incident where happened for Bambili, where they ran key 2 notables and for Bambili, and they ran key some 2 youths them where they be involved for the killing of those notables. I will give una all details them as we go in front. But first, Usa where you dey, stand up at Talat, say we go salute our national flag, our national anthem for pay allegiance and remind ourselves who will be and where to do them. So join me, may we sing our national anthem for any place we dey, home and abroad.
His land of glory, we the Amazonian, nation loyalty. Praises to our Savior who granted us a freedom, and legends to the hero who brought the Lord together. Glory to glory, we rising never to fall. Here in a nation, growing with the holy. Glory, glory, glory to the Father for making you a nation, a joy forevermore. Amazonia, land of freedom, you shall live in plenty, meeting our need, and your children shall be like the stars above. The Most High God be the watchman of His nation. Amazonia, land of freedom, you shall live in plenty, meeting our need, and your children shall be like the stars above. The Most High God be the watchman of His nation.
Amazonia, Amazonia, the Most High God is the watchman of this nation. So I want to salute all una come good for house. This one at the No Connie Talk Show. We also join with my office as a deputy chief. I go to give una briefing as well as I go to bring una No Connie presentation of our revolution. So that we'll stand up fine, we'll shine our eye for make sure say me the no carry we go divert we begin go na on the instead. So all man una be welcome na time for we for salute. All man we don't join this platform, the Ambakwa Amba. When I'm a platform, people they don't know they facing a fake Facebook page. Now just wait for we for adapt ourselves as Facebook don't join La Republic, following that now $5 million where they be donated for them for 2016. They improve for block we for make sure they suppress Amazonia their voice. Would thank Umpo for try for help for make sure say be the international community then be aware. And we also thank the former president for Ghana, J. Rawlings, we don't write later also for Facebook. For tell Facebook say me allow Amazonians them begin be free for express themselves and for inform the international community about the atrocity the way they happen for our territory. So I want to salute and welcome Omar we don't join the No Connie Talk Show today for this Facebook page Abakwa Amba. I want to thank Nanga Bronhilda, we did right for France, for Paris. Now our strong sister way, he don't always stand for our back, it is support we financially and for make sure send me the boy them, then get way to for defend themselves and make our refugee and internally displaced people them, then get way to way they need them. I want to thank all my way and support the financial department, and for thank Cecilia Amabo, Mama Wali, and all the Ambazonian A of C member them, where they don't make sure say we will fight the coronavirus for ground zero. They don't provide more than 2,000 facial masks for protect our population. La République du Cameroon they give on reasonable condition for face mask where local people they no fit produce them, they no fit be available for the market. All the donation them. We talk now free face masks them way some Chinese they are billionaire they don't donate them for La République. They never send one for Ambazonia, even though na a global pandemic. But we don't thank all the egg of sea humanitarian relief effort where they don't make sure say me them provide as soon as possible over 2,000 homemade face masks them, and we'll be very happy say also that as they make up a home they help the population for small employment during this period. So I salute all na Esther Ma for welcome for us. Yes, you be welcome. Grandma Sally, you be welcome. Echu Rodriguez, you be welcome. Kenneth Keita, you be welcome. Yufa Noxin, you be welcome. I salute all na. I salute the people them for UAO or how they call that place. I throw and I salute for all man where they for us. The people
Give me
of
the
China.
power, give me the freedom.
No go to on a small
The
music
people are crying.
before they get ready for
Why
present.
won't you listen?
So all man be welcome for us today. And let's do Brandy, you be welcome. All man be welcome. Our people them for ground zero.
In peace
be
and
welcome.
harmony.
Frank Bock, you be welcome. We get a lot. We will also talk about Abdul Karim, the activity for Canada,
No one
and the presentation where either do and for the Alphabet TV. So we will talk about that one as well. We get a lot of things that will present us today for now. All man be welcome. We salute the people that for Belgium. Well, give me a minute. This thing the volume they go down.
Is here to stay. Ambazonia, our freedom.
Okay,
Has come today.
I'll turn off the USB. And I go put on the charger. So all man be welcome today. John Leke, welcome. I want to salute all man for Emoyo Jock for the entire Atlantic state. I salute all now for Bakassi area. I salute una for Mutengene. I salute all people them for inside Victoria. All we did together. I salute our IDPs. The one way then they for Ndu. We aren't talk for them way then they for inside detention for day. I want to salute una and for tell una say all we will do together. So we'll not go overtake time today. We'll go just go directly for the presentation. Now 2 a.m. for Ambazonia, and we'll not expect a lot of people for ground zero for participate. Mr. Bruce, you be welcome for house as well. So and also for Europe now also midnight. I think people they go to sleep, but nevertheless our intention is to leave that digital footprint, that audio way any man can listen and back. The most important thing that the influence will get them, as I always talk. But for those who they take that time, but can watch, we will not say we get the most smartest, influential group of people them from Ambazonia and our people, and that's so you be privileged for joining this platform. I welcome Frida Mambo, welcome as well. My dear, no worry, na God give power. So all man be welcome, and we will start today for our village where we don't get information. I will try to give you an update for the entire Savannah state. Wait to wait it happen for ground zero. Blessed day, welcome as well. So all man be welcome. We will go straight for our presentation. So today we want to start for wait to wait it happen for inside our territory. As we be done talk, the revolution shall not be televised. First of all, we will start make a bring up an example because we don't talk several times for make complaint about the journalism and the publication of our sister. When I wait my change the position for the comment section so that I go feed even see which one at the talk. Yes. Yeah. So Oman be welcome. Ella be welcome. Mutala Sherif, you be welcome. Oman be welcome for house. So we'll go start our presentation formally now, and we'll go straight for our presentation. My phone number will still be open as well, so that if we receive call after all the presentation. But more important, for we forget time for do the presentation, and so that people then come back and listen them. And one also direct people then for my YouTube channel, Capo Daniel YouTube channel. I did upload all our production for this, so that people then get them. We done lost a lot of our material, them our archive, due to the deleting of our Facebook page by Facebook. But we will still continue for the try for inform our people and for the connect with them. So first of all, today na number 17 day and a Friday for the month April for 2020. My name na Capo Daniel, una Sense Pass King, Lukong, una FBI, una Vanguard for the Revolution. I also be na the defense chief, the deputy defense chief for the Savannah State of the Ambazonian Defense Forces. So I give una updates today as an activist, as both and as my capacity also as a deputy defense chief. Before we go inside the hot issue, then where it happened for Kugwe and where it happened for Bambili across our national territory, and also the preparation for the takeover, and also some other information where it happened for diaspora, including the one where it happened for Canada, Abdul Karim, and for Mwa. Also, I go want for first start for talk about the publication where it be consistent from Mimi Mifu. Mimi Mifu, as you know, now one of our Ambazonian sister, as I go call them. Some people they talk about Ambazonian sister, but for me, out of respect, it don't always they make publication where it be very controversial. As a journalist, would expect every journalist me then do their job. We know the one say me journalists then support we, or me then take side for we, but me then do their job professionally. Mimi for them be noted for begin the sabotage the ADF and for the take side for the align herself with factions and for the revolution where they not be in line with the pure aspiration for our revolution. I go give una some example. The one a publication where it did from my corner, so it be published by Suka Pamela. Now one of the journalists for Ground Zero where they do professional journalism. If una look a publication, it address all the fighters them for Ground Zero as separatist fighters. The international community they use that word to say separatist fighters because it shows how we fight for separation. So other terminology where international media house they use them na pro-independent fighters. Those are legal names where journalists are supposed to use them. But me for they constantly they use the word restoration forces where you know very well say that name na name where enablers them. They don't use them for trick Ambazonia them. For set we up, make we use name where it also include federalists, their fighter than they. Because restoration also mean na restore for West Cameroon. Restoration also mean restore for United Cameroon. So Maurice Kamto, Akeremuna, a people them where they work with Chironguma, them all they run join for inside for Nya add the soup. Now why that way we need to use that word restoration force, and many journalists for Ambazonia they need to use that word restoration force. They call them separatist fighters. Like na example, this one I'm putting for OBA. When I see this one, a publication for newspaper for Ground Zero, it be written by Suka Pamela. So if journalism for Ground Zero they use that word separatist fighters, why Mimi Mifu they always use the word restoration force? Why it always use the word, and why it always report issue them about the ADF, where it identify the various faction them without consulting the ADF, forget our own side of the story. But as we talk, we'll not go beg any man for publish our news. We will continue for take that publication, and we expect our people then for be very educative, for be intellectual enough for being come for we forget the correct news for which will happen on our own account. So I want to acknowledge one of our sister for Waransi where they watch me also, Modesta Yolan, a young and vibrant Ambazonian celebrity and a singer. The person who will follow you will be that interview. We will continue for the encourage a lot of talented Ambazonian the way they be forced for migrate to the United States and many other places than for abroad because they no fit make them for inside home. All our advantages they don't be taken by the French Cameroon, and where people then be forced to go abroad for study, for work, because nothing no dey for home back for we. So make we continue about Mimi for. We still want talk say it be one-sided and it don't take side for this revolution. Mimi for just like many Ambazonians and way that they work for civil service where they get the means for chop, They don't forget about the poor, suffering people them, and they see this revolution like an inconvenience. Now people then where they be against Mr. Pobia, but this war no be a war for regime change. Me they no begin side with the enemy and other faction the way they struggle for suppress the pure aspiration of independence in favor of federalism. They don't be constant for suppress the pro-independent factions then for inside our revolution, and would one call out me fool, make it stop them. Make it stop them. And the issue the way it happen for Ambazonia, why you know they report them? Last time they can kidnap the fund for IFA. Why you know report them? Yesterday the key one ADF intelligence officer for inside IFA. Why you know report them? I go also report other incident then we una never see them for news. And make una go ask them say why they nobody report them. Una go ask also if including our own Ambazonian fighter activism, if they stand up for independence, why they no they report the kidnapping of the fund of IFA? Why they no report the killing of our intelligence officer yesterday by those youths them for Kugwe, but then be so quick for report about the killing of the prince for inside Funds Palace where he be killed, unfortunately, in an incident where he be under investigation, but I will give una details. When I go ask them, when I go ask, including even Mark Barata, why he no publish the kidnapping of the fund of IFA? Some of them be even try to make the impression saying na fake news, but when I be done here say they be catch that chief, they be done release it, and they can kill one of our own soldier for day. So we will leave that one for about me for we will go directly for our presentation. We will stand with our population where they suffer for inside Ngwa, for Ngwa village. It didn't for in the Ngwa subdivision. Inside some small village where they call an Nkot, NKOT, Nkot village for inside Ngwa. The Cameroon military they don't invade that village. Them burn some big mommy and a pa alive for inside their house. The mommy named na Adija, the papa named na Alfred, Tamula Alfred. It be been a cripple, them burning inside a house. La Republic du Cameroon, their forces them enter for inside Ngwa with the Mbororo youths them where they don't go deceive them. They use them like militia and some other Mbororo people the way them come up from Nigeria. They be enter for inside Ngwa from Monday. Then pass for some small village for Ngwa where they call an Ngwandum. They enter from Ngwandum village. Then catch some youth them for they say me them go for inside court. Go show them people them way they are picking them there for inside Ambazonia fighter or people there they be the protest. For people there they don't know that area. If una come up for na around border region that for inside there. If you come up for Ndu Ngwa, you don't go for Nigeria, you pass na through that village for that court. So they don't enter for inside village, the Cameroon army they enter for that village, then go for that pie house, Patamula Alfred he has na cripple, then beat the papa, then tie inside house, then burn the papa alive for inside house. Will never be able to get pictures them so far because most of those areas them would manage to get message for them a direct telephone call, not be even WhatsApp because network they not be very good for the. So them burn that power for a house, then kill a woman na Adija. They don't also burn 6 houses them according to report where they get them from inside Ngwa. They don't kill 3 senior citizens. That means say people the way they don't pass the age 60 years, they don't kill them 60. They don't carry all cow them for inside Ngwa, all goods them, give for them Bororo people them, together with La Republic du Cameroon, their military, the way they be involved for burn those houses. They don't carry the thing and go them away from that village. They don't go for some small place they call them Ngom village for they don't go occupy some building for they set up their camp. So for inside Ngom village, for inside Ngwa, nothing in that way happen. And me gonna not expect these crimes and for La Republic for be publicized too much because as we talk, the revolution shall not be televised. So we go come directly before we go for the issue where it happened with Abdul Karim. I want to first update una about the give una report, situation report where it happened for Bambili, so that make una understand where it happened for Bambili. La Republique du Cameroon, they try to turn Bambili upside down. Which way it happen for Bambili, it be very, very tragic. When I know say the first fun way be there for Bambili, it be been a very good chief. It be been a fun way to take care for all man. Whether na Amba or na La Republique, whether na CPDM or na S, all them that fun be been a papa for all man. And at the rule that way, all traditional ruler they play them, and a rule that way they supposed to play them. But someone then the way they work with La Republique for kill their own picking them, for assist the enemy me destroy their own villages. The first fun will be there for inside Bambili day na from Tamukom the second. From Tamukom the second be na papa for all man be the happy. No killings, no be the day for inside Bambili. Pikin dem be go the protest, no man no be the be harassed for inside Bambili. Ekelebe they no be fit be comfortable because they be know say they be na for foreign land. But we ran hear from woman them for palace, who ran talk for them. Say the fun wey dey na for inside Bambili, when na from Afong Chui the third. From Afong Chui the third, na he kill his own brother. Because time wey papa be die, when na the first fun wey be there for inside there he be die, he give throne. Now for he pikin wey no be for imami, no be for the fun imami now. But for the small, a first woman, he pikin, wey be na from Tamakum the second. So Mr. Afonchi, wey be there for Yaoundé, he be dan go for Yaoundé with the CPD and people them, then come back for inside village, he can poison his own chief, his own brother, for take power. He don't stay for that chair for inside Bambili, nobody even stay up to 1 year. So since where this fun, Afonchi the third, he don't be for Bambili, he the only key people, he the take La Republic, then go the key people. Ye and a traditional council, the way they be take over for power for inside Bambili, they don't be engaged for collaborate with La Republique du Cameroon for waka begin show people their compound, they they kill them, they burn them. Since where the fund become, I go put on the video them, I go put on the audio them, then see them. And I also want to thank our collaboration with Mbekuda. Mbekuda na the picking them for the village for inside Bambili where they for abroad, and so on where they for Ground Zero. They don't partner and they don't get into collaboration with us. We also want to tell people and say the former or the current whatever name they want to choose them to call themselves, the Mezam County, then too they don't get into a memorandum of understanding for collaborate with us of the AGOFC and the ADF, so that make together will fight against a common enemy like Republic du Cameroon. So then they collaborate for many areas them already. So make una know say those areas that then be completely stabilized, and a lot of fighting against this kidnapping and ransom will be more effective now, and discipline go there amongst the Amazonian fighter, because Ground Zero already need that one very urgently. So would one talk say the fun wey dey for inside Bengui now from Afonchi the third, wey na he be key brother for come for power. Since he come for inside Bengui last year, he come together with La Republique du Cameroon, their army them, a foreign army, me they work at protect chief. Chief wey no be stay amongst the own people them. In La Republique du Cameroon, the army they the work at protect it. They don't come build camp for inside Bambili. They work for inside Bambili, all place. They feel comfortable now. They work at intimidate our people, then they key our people. They don't reach the way they don't key so notable them for inside Bambili. So make I put the phone a picture. Me gonna see na EDC and Abeti. Yeah, na Abeti where they for here. Yeah, Abeti Peter. Now the people then that way they connive, collaborate for destroy their own village for make sure say me Mr. Paul Biya continue for succeed for suppress our people them. So I go put up the video, they make una understand exactly what really happen for Bambili, because the fund now it don't come with La Republique. They want call all quarter head them, all youths them, say they want fight against Amazonian independence. Now trick way they done the do am, and I think we don't see and way it unfold one educate our people, they need to know exactly the truth way to really happen for inside Bambili. Way to it happen for Bambili. And I said this chief, as La Republique don't can install as fund for Bambili, they don't come for inside Bambili with army them. From a palace, they call every quarter head, one by one, make it come for their house. When I know say how this struggle be start for Bambili, plenty youth they be the protest. They be the join the protest. Some few of them be done join Amazonian group them, pick up gun them. Some of them they act now only by their own, no be said there for any group. But now good youth the way they don't reject La Republique du Cameroon, like all the Amazonian, the way they don't stand up for separation and independence. So this fund, oh na the same for here, from Afonji the third, they call quarter head them for a palace to together with that two notable the way they don't kill them. His secretary and the other one way na ma put their picture, me gonna begin see the one the way they don't kill them. Now it is not a picture. This is one na the same. Now the phone is secretary that, and a chief for the traditional council. They don't shoot them. They use they don't execute them, and La Republique don't kill those two youths them. And they use now this gendarme Bakari when I be the commandant for inside Fuba. Ma put up a picture so that me gonna see. Now the Jandan this one na only their pikin. They use na for kiki their people then they. So wait they happen for inside day for Bambili. My people them now say this fund it call quarter head them. One by one, then come for palace. It threaten them, say they must identify all youths them where they for their quarter, where they don't join the Ambazonian fighters and picking the way they strong head where them be again, where they stand for independence. Without any judgment, all this quarter head then they go put the list for people their house. This fund go ahead for convoke the parents them. I mean the parents them for those picking them. They go come for a palace. They go there for the Ujanan them. They go threaten them, say if they not bring their picking, me then come back, because since where this fund come for village, plenty use them. They don't run village as they see her. It don't come with a kelebe them. They know say from the track record where it happen across our territory. Every time we La Republic come around the can station, they start begin target all Ambazonian males. So most youths them for inside Bambili, they don't either run go for village for inside forest, or they don't run. They need to stay for inside town. They come back now only for night. All youths they don't run. Now only few picking and they for their way. They don't get guarantee for this fund, say they no go kill them. So they go force parents, they say me them bring their picking for palace, me their picking they can't take oath, say they no go join Ambazonia fighting. When they go bring that fund, that picking them for palace, the fund they pay those picking them 100,000 or 200,000 for the one the way they be done take part for protest, or the one the way they talk say they be done carry gun for fight against La Republic. So he go pay them this 200,000 and this 100,000. Once they take that money, the fund go banish the mid and come out of the village, because now other way La Republic to come around their military the top. The picking and then also so one and they for Gabon, so one and they for Douala, so one and they for inside Yaoundé. Bambili picking the way they no fit go back for their village. This fund then bring all the elders them way they be done run Bambili, because they no be stand with the people then go for inside Yaoundé. They don't return them all now so for inside Bambili. Now they do work appoint people their house they meet them born them. So parents the way they be bring them, call them in the camp for palace, they are picking them fail for show up, for can't take bribe for this fund. This fund it is send it army them, me them go for that house them, go attack that house them, then kill them. I go put on a video them for which way happen early last year, where this fund it don't send people them together with the notable way they don't die in the hands of the youths them for inside Bambili. Ma play on the video them, we're gonna see the first killing the way it start for day. Time where this fund it become, say me they can't open it, call La Republic me they can't open camp. All Bambili people them are home and abroad, then come up for one mob, then shout. Now later this, I'll put on up the later, then we're gonna see later the way Mekuda. This first one now later way the Ambazonia they for ground zero they send for the fund palace. For wonder fund. Say me you know allow La Republic me they can't open military base for inside a village, because they know say that military base them. They go only start picking them, the kiki picking them. They send later warning. Now rather later this way Mekuda. Bambili people the way they for abroad, then send her for fun. For talk for the fun about the atrocity where the military people they work away, they do them for inside their village. So I will show on a video them, maybe sometimes we don't forget what way it happen for Bambili before this thing what happen. So now picking them this way then kill them. When I see video.
Bullet. Now you. Look, I'm gonna die. What the fuck in the name of Jesus don't die? I swear my happiness.
When I see now the people that end for inside Bambili early for 2019, how did they cry? Had their own fun. And the notables them, they go send Cameroon army, meet them come for their house. Can't kill them. When I see. The boy they cry helplessly.
They shall not live.
He promise he must go fight revenge. They come for their house, can't shoot him, mommy. When I see they go take camera, go show the blood on the floor.
This is a blood of our brother, our mother. This is a blood here. You can see the blood.
See? Now the blood that
is here. This is a blood.
So now the atrocity then that way. Now the atrocity then that way the fun. If they do them for inside Bambili, the same army they can't kill their own people them. So this Ambazonian youths them, like use them for all across Bambili. Then she don't say no, they not allow the impunity. Say me foreigner they come out for Yaoundé, can't kill their own people them. Now you where some of them when they nobody even get training, then take gun to they will go try for go fight. They go do their best because now a human right for defend yourself against injustices. Now you whether use the rank come out, then go attack. They not if you go fight La Republic, so then go catch the people then way they be join with the fund for begin show people their house. I go show now. Not be only this incident. This incident happened about 2019. I think about December or ending of 2019 where this incident happened. We all man the hear now the hear from the villagers them they accuse na that phone. Say na that phone he and this elders and so for here this they call the person now Joseph Tanjong and Awemu Joseph. Now the two elders then that way now them together with that phone he secretary and a chief for his traditional council. Now they be the same Cameroon army me they work at keep people them their house, keep people them their house. I will show now. They even go far as to say now woman this way they come for a house. Ma put the video me gonna say am now a woman this way they come for a house. They can burn this woman in her burn inside house. They can burn this woman inside house. Early for January. Now Bridget, he named na Bridget and Songwe Ngum. Now it is inside the house. When I see the house, that way the house be there before and after. When I did phone, yeah, and this elder them, then can call this woman. He come for the house. Madam Bridget, he come for the house for inside palace. Then warn me, say two of the picking them they way they don't run village. They don't go for bush. Then say they don't go join Amber Boys. Say if this Bridget, you no go bring that picking them, they go kill it. This phone. Together with the Joseph Sanjong Anjong or Joseph Sanjong, how did they call whatever his name be, Joseph Tanjong, then sell La Republic to Cameroon the army. Then go burn this woman in house. Burn her alive inside house. Kill him. Burn him for inside house so you never even die finish. Now the atrocity then this phone. The military man will be lead that action. When I be down here for the order them. Now it is na Bakari, na gendarme. Now also picking for inside Bambili. That they become they can keep people them. For November, then send army the middle and go burn market. Ma put the village. Ma put the picture them we gonna see them. Now traditional equipment and this we ran there for that village to Bambili for centuries. This new fund when La Republic fund. Now authority they this way the game. Me then go burn your own thing them. When I see this ngong. All man for Bambili dan Christ in an instrument, this is a traditional instrument this way done for that village. For centuries, for time immemorial. Now this fund is say La Republic du Cameroon army. Say me then go burn market, me then go attack people the way they respect ghost town. So now person where it work for La Republic. Now fund where he kill his own brother for take share for inside village. For February this year. Then see launch now that time for the February the year when then key that Bridget Asongwe under this fund and these people their order. They don't go for them, they don't key their own people them. Ma put some of the villages, the pictures they make gonna see them. So now the killers and that. Now the killer and that nothing that way it happened for Bambili. They use them for inside Bambili. Two of them where they don't go kill them. Now you will then take the law into their own hands. Then go attack that two people them. They move them inside their house. They execute them. It be very bad to they execute our elders them for inside our notables them because anyhow we did enable us them our collaborators. I know if you blame those people them. But we don't try for come. We don't join with the forces them for give them training for make sure so they go they abide with the code of conduct for bring order. I go play una audio because time where this struggle be start, the forces them where they be there for inside Bambili, some of them be run. They be run their village because they be talk about county by county. Mr. All man go back for a village. This fighter they say you know be even be na fighter the way na ngwa picking them. When Bambili picking them, so some of them be down run. The one the way they not be disciplined.
I say Mark Barretta.
I want to play the audio from the ADF fighter where he come for the reaction. Me gonna say I think I'll release and later on for inside audio. But the ADF fighter he come for the cry to say because say they no be get structure for inside a good structure for inside Bambili. A lot of the youths then where they be disgruntled, where they run go for inside bush, they be don't even start begin turn also they harass their people then because they not be trained, they not be inside any structure. So now they don't partner with the Ambazonian Defense Forces who go to train their boys and for they bring more discipline. They command the way people they know them for the way they be there for day before they don't come back for make sure say all that go there for inside Bambili. It will also help to stop all the kidnapping for ransom. With one call on the youth for inside Bambili and all the quarter head say the La Republic meeting where the fund Iran column for bring the people then together so that make them fight against the Ambazonia independence. Make no man in no go for day. Because any man will go join with La Republic du Cameroon for begin point people their house, me then key other people that picking. Me then know say they put their life at risk because those same boys they go fight against them. And with one call on the phone Akwenche the third for inside Bambili, make it understand say in collaboration with La Republic du Cameroon for fight against the independence and the aspiration of the people of Bambili, for manipulate and brainwash the people them. Me then stand against the aspiration of the Ambazonian people. It put a life at risk because it no go be tolerable anymore for the forces them for be on the ground. Allow any man me disguise hide himself under traditional titles them and then begin order the killing and assassination of the people them. If he continue for do like that, it will become a threat and it will be neutralized by the forces them for that area because it don't pose a direct threat to them. And I'm present for now exactly the situation where they for Bambili. It be unfortunate say them kill notables them like that. If it be in our forces them for advise the media arrest those notables, keep them in detention for handle them in a way it no go be the way we be. But as they don't talk, the policy way they don't lay them out now and say any person will collaborate with the Cameroon military where it leads to the death of any Ambazonian, that person will be neutralized. And we want talk for this Bakari, this gendarme when they work out begin kiki the Ambazonian people them and people the way they collaborate with them. Me they understand. Say now that boy they are right for fight back and for neutralize the threat. Because if you show house for any Ambazonian fighter, me then go kill that person, then that person for if you survive in it for make sure say me you also be neutralized. So we want to inform the people them and for brief on about that situation where it happened for inside Bambili. Now the thing that will happen. Last time they come for inside quarter them for day. For quarter them for they begin to intimidate people them. The same thing they go on now. Say they must go for meeting for inside palace so that when they go for meeting, the CRTV go come videotape them, go talk say Bambili they turn against Ambazonian fighters. The people that have Bambili they see observe the Independent Day ghost town, me them continue for do one for stand up for the people them. We want assure them say we go bring order for inside Bambili as our forces they move in, they go to train and partner up with the forces them where they be there for inside Bambili. The forces so they be call themselves restoration forces. All those Sako their thing where they be indoctrinate and they will go try to bring them correct ideology for them for stand and for be disciplined and for respect the code of conduct so that no civilian no go become victim for the nervousness for our soldiers them because they under very stress circumstances them and they face a very strong army. So sometimes they be at the edge, but we go make sure say me no kidnapping, no harassment of population. It go there for inside Bambili. So I go leave that one now. I go for the incident where it happened for inside Kugwe. For inside Kugwe. So now already here. Wait where it happened for inside Kugwe. As we be done the Tokam, the ADF be done decide for blockade Kugwe because of some security challenges the war with the gate and for day. Following some youths the way they be protest for inside Kugwe, we realize say some of those youths them they be done be converted into asset for the Cameroon military. They be call and invite the Cameroon military meet and come for inside Kugwe. Then come for inside Kugwe when I see the video they had and carry for Fonds Palace. Those youths they be carry some of our explosive them, then hand them over for La Republic du Cameroon, their military. One of our forces then will be being a youth for Kugwe. He come out carry our gun go join those youths them, and so we get two weapons away there for those youths their hand. Now why that will be blockade Kugwe after we get into a 4-month battle with La Republic du Cameroon, their forces them. They believe Kugwe will be blockade Kugwe for those security reasons them. and will be in the course for we for release them. The CIC, the head of the political wing, Dr. Cho Ayaba, and we now also the commander-in-chief for the Ambazonia Defense Forces, he be done get a meeting with the Kugwe, the local funds, and he be done agree, say me then open the blockade for Kugwe. But that decision become for inside the ADF. The ADF together with our overall commander for Ground Zero will be hold a meeting, and the ADF will decide say those weapons that will be need for be returned before the order for open Kugwe go happen. So now the situation that way will be negotiate with the Kugwe elites them where they for abroad and at home, and with the palace for make sure say me then return those weapons them. Those youths them inside Kugwe, they be go ahead for launch and attack for inside if Efa village, then kidnap the fund for Efa village, then take them back for Kugwe, then go begin intimidate, say must make condition they make ADF leave for Efa, they release back the fund, and we then publicize that one. The second incursion will happen only a few days ago. They attack one of our outposts, killing one of our soldiers without release a picture. And if we release our Facebook, because Facebook will block this account immediately. But without release a picture of them for the soldier where they be killing for ADF. Some incident happened yesterday where they kill the prince for inside Kugwe. Unfortunately, I'm not going to give una more information. When I hear the audio way, General Efang, the Supreme Commander, he don't give the account for which way it happened. The only two I do is I play that same account, because we don't get a meeting with the CIC, and the CIC then send an official letter for the Secretary General of the ADF. We don't receive that letter from my office. They don't order an independent investigation into the killing of that prince. Our general then explained for we say that prince be arrested with some other villagers the way they be try for attack our post. He tried for attack one of the fighters and for day before he be killed in that process. It be regrettable incident, and that was so that the nobody reported be an intentional act. During that confrontation, some other civilians they be wounded. The audio way they circulate say ADF killed 30 people them in a propaganda audio way come up from La République du Cameroon, and it show a correlation between the action of some of those youths with possibility say they work with La République du Cameroon. I no go fit give una more details, but an independent investigator go come inside where it no be from my office or from the office them for the ADF for come investigate for find out exactly what way happen. But our official position I say we go along with the narrative where our general rangi and for we, because now he be in contact with the commander way there on the field. The commander then explain for we say they no be intent for kill that prince be shot because he tried for attack one person with the person who gone, and some other people they be wounded, or they then be released so they fit explain for themselves what way happen. The news say they be killed 30 people in a propaganda.
So
when I hear from
those youths them inside na the civilian they die or na who they die.
So now the audio that way General Efang be interviewed by one of the Ambazonia Defense Forces officials. It then be posted from our Facebook page so people that go back they go hear from me directly, and we'll not go fit comment more on this matter because investigation they will still go on. I will call on the Fund Palace for Insa Kugwe for instruct those use them meet and release our weapon back for our people so that things of life will go back in for normal. For the meantime, we'll still talk with our generals for see how we facilitate the relieving of that blockade for security reasons then. So we'll go leave them for the, but we're going to forget about La République du Cameroon, their propaganda. And for those activists, the way they don't seize that one like an opportunity for jump on top ADF their head, it be regrettable. May them be responsible with their comments and may they not be enablers them indirectly for assist La République du Cameroon for destabilize Kugwe. So from there, I go and take Unana, make we go for which way they happen for Canada. For Abdul Karim, when I be yes, I be go for inside Canada for some meeting where they be get them with Rebecca, some diplomat, the community member them for inside Canada. They be very worried with the activity for Abdul Karim since he be done go join the act, the so-called way they call it an act on a group for waiting where they go for Switzerland for that Swiss cake. And I be go for that meeting. I be ask some question there for Rebecca. Rebecca be give some very damning information them way they no be no say they go give that information. and that those information then be critical. Me, our people, they understand them. Abdul Karim then go for the Alphabet TV channel for Gideon. We go make some outrageous statement. The way that make them, I go see talk about this issue again. When I remember, I be done one about Abdul Karim for a long time. Then we no be popular. When I no be here, when I see color they come out today. So I will play the video for Rebecca. Make una hear again. Wait to wait the Rebecca be talking. I hear the make and the vex. Why I be attend that meeting when I hear.
Eyes of the international community achieve, and they were credible in the eyes of the international community. An Ambazonian government in exile does not have credibility with the international community.
So na Rebecca that na big diploma we get experience from Sierra Leone to Southern Sudan, whole across Africa. He don't get experience for struggle them. He tell we inform Amazonia them. Ambazamzam the way they no get they need 1 year 12. Say the IG and Ambazonian government he no get credibility in the eyes of the international community. Wait to be the ramification for Rebecca's speech. The ramification means say this declaration is the proof. Say SACO cannot have any diplomatic success in the international community because that institution do not have any credibility. And worst of all, it be an impostor where then be caught by the British government as a thief. So you know get credibility, one thing as this woman talk, and secondly, as the interim government, a government in exile do not have any credibility in front of the international community. Make una mawe no 1 year 12 make it here. So so irrespective of the intention of the IG, it is a failed project. The fact that they project themselves as a government is a failed project. Me man no lie you, me will not lie ourselves. If we be sorry for the people ready don't die, then we will acknowledge this fact. Abdul Karim on the other hand, we don't go join this Swiss cabal. He done lost every credibility we get them and every respect we get them. Make it stop for beginning to instigate the people of Canada. Immediately call we for back because when they call we for back, we will respond for you for in front. He already know what way they do them. He already know what way they manipulate the struggle from ground zero before he hide in the fit call we now. He know the amount of people the way either misdirect women will attack him for ground zero. For social media, for when I friend them, people the way they chop Amazon and the way they stand up for behind this struggle, they chop with them for one plate. He don't tell women will go there. We know what expose Abdul Karim, but if he continue again, I go expose it. I go play the recorded audio them between me and Abdul Karim, where they call me for set up people them for ground zero. For tarnish the Ambazonian revolution. At that time, I be there to see say, well, now my way they talk about Ambazonian struggle. But if Abdul Karim, he want begin compromise the integrity for the revolution, I will release those audio. If he say he get canas, when I go tell him he can challenge me, and I will release my conversation with ye. This is in no way to what they talk about. But Ambazonian people they need for understand say these people them now people then way they don't compromise the struggle. They do want go negotiate for get something less than independence. Now why that way be run? If you go attend meeting with Yerima for South Africa, he come go on Facebook begin lie say South Africa they not be invited. And me gonna know say the people the way they go join with the NAV for inside Canada. Now people them for scroll na some organization, a humanitarian organization for Canada dey. Southern Cameroon Relief Organization. The executive member them for that group. With one Dr. Samuel and contact me. Now the same people they will want go meet up Kamto. They be take the executive member them for this crew. Me then go meet up Kamto. Now the same people they will work out with Abdul Karim for begin deceive Ambazonian them. Now the same people. So me gonna know the place where they want drag with the good day. I go publish for una transcript for the act. That means say the Abdul Karim, the Bo Herbert, and their cabal where they go for HD. They can't pretend for una say they understand what way it happen. But when nothing really happen for they. If una no believe, Maga publish their own memo from their HD meeting where they get them. Now it is my put over here. I mean, they no say they no fit any place where they go there. I know it. We know exactly which way they do them because we stand for the truth, and those people then will always get agent the way they inform you from all area them, including for inside government them, because they know way it represent the ambition, the aspiration for the people them. So now memo this I will release them in part by part. Now memo this for with the HD. Ma put them gonna see them. The meeting take place on the 4th of the 14th of this month, July. The meeting will be attended by 4 members, and for that they act. What an act of the apostle and an act of waiting, I don't know. Dr. Emmanuel Emma Osong, Dr. Abdul Karim Ali attend the meeting. Dr. Elat Logan for the IG. It goes to present himself say the IG member, even though they don't fire he. And Matthew Ngala waiting for Maurice. Now then this way they go represent Ambazonia for negotiation. For this meeting, they talk how Sokadev be go declare now HDB ask Sokadev me declare ceasefire. Say they go use that ceasefire for help the struggle. They ask and say now which progress they HDB need to tell them anything. They don't fool them, then go declare ceasefire. Say they go help them. They cabal them begin the back money again for HD. Say HD, coronavirus is there, una no go give you money. Make we go fight coronavirus. HD tell them say nga we no already get money the way we be think oh. Inside their discussion, they tell una say they know it already happen. Now Matthew this representative for Maurice, he asks the HD question say they ensure say La République du Cameroun be on board for this mediation. HD they avoid they never answer the question. But the same people that they can't tell una say La République du Cameroun there for inside dialogue. Early as 2 days ago, now the official than that, they ask those same questions the way would they ask them for the HD for back, but they come for social media. They present una like say they know it way they happen for the way they do use them. The truth of the matter, and I say then go for them now because they want to go chop their own money. Now the truth of the matter that they don't really care. They can't pretend they make propaganda. Let's say they something they go on with, they know they go on. On the other hand, the egg of C, the Vice President Dr. Nyi, he don't stand on the principle. Say we'll not go get into any negotiation way independent no be an outcome. The Swiss government they don't accept in principle. The Swiss foreign affair, it don't meet up with the egg of C on a neutral country, one-on-one. So it be possible. All the people there they hear they say they want run go join them. They need to do it because of Ambazonia. Now because say now a corrupt people them. So when we tell una say these people there they talk about HD. Now manipulators the number one. Now sell out them. We mean way to we talk. Every day evidence that the only camp can confirm them. Man way 1 year a year. Now we go decide how long we go take for the revolution. If we now decide say we will only go round and round. Now all una talk, but we go there for here for una. As una go to come back, as we see una run begin donate money very well for that TTOF. Una go for there go begin subscribe. I'll tell una some of una they talk say why would he challenge Eric Tato a project that we need to challenge them. Now I right for ask question them for make sure say me any money we put the collector me not be a distraction. If you not be a distraction, the people they want collect the money, they go explain for una. They go answer those questions. Those are legitimate questions. We don't support the bond. That way the interim government, the legitimate one, launch the bond fundraiser. We support them. I also donated my money for inside the bond. I don't donate my money for day. But I don't put that heavy money because I look way to where they do them and I donate the money. So the objection for this Eric Tato project would not pass that level for individual and for one-man commando. We must institutionalize our revolution for make sure say mean an institution they represent us with and be capable. The egg of C get UMPO, then get law firm, then get lawyers, then get a whole institution where they vet things and for make sure things that go properly. The interim government then get their own institution the way they do their own thing. Activists then must align themselves behind those institutions and for support their efforts. All those one-man commando for how long? Now just effort the way you go to make will be so chakara, you know go present we in any way we get recognition. Me, I don't sit one-on-one for diplomatic mission them. I don't hear the expectation the way our international partner they give for we. We don't see the legal requirement for we for be able for be project ourselves where they go feel recognize we. Now why that we would insist on principles. Say me then stop that. Now our opinion that we would advocate me then stop them. It no go help Ambazonia for any way. It go continue to disperse our soldier them. They create unnecessary power base for activism for begin. They project themselves for ground zero. Make me be incapable for bring discipline for Ambazonia soldier them, and the kidnapping for ransom when a big threat for our revolution go continue. So make all man a fall behind institutions. The best way forward now for make a post-independent agreement now for the struggle. Say me Seseko, me be the interim president that would take that country for rule the country during the transition period. And this time when a time for liberation, make all we will come under the leadership of Ayabacho, because now he be the most competent leader amongst all of us who will for outside, who would get the courage to stand out for speak for the people them. Now the only common sense that it be clear now for all man in mind, say the idea of a government now a failed idea, now a poisonous ideology way to destroy this revolution. And the interim government need to accept this fact, otherwise they go level me or we will die. Now because of their silence, their failure for transit, now they empower enablers and collaborators like Sako for continue to become an impostor for the destroy ground zero. I go see appeal for them, me them acknowledge and come into an agreement with the Hague of Sea for an independent Ambazonia and how we go start that independent. So that we feel fight, all man feel focus for effective way of fight. For empower a common leader. Even the America, their CIA, their analysis, that also we need a single leader. If Seseko be there outside, we fulfill the talk, say me Seseko stand or me na Ayabacho stand, me na who come under who, because we need that, we need to project one leader, na the only effective way. I know we do can begin the talking for please una or for no offend una, but nothing way una need to accept them. As a matter of fact, when they be talk say the ranking General Efang, now the people them for IG na Seseko people they be cry past all man. Now for sure, I say then get hard for the revolution. All we now would fight for one thing, irrespective of the different approaches and different leader the world the hopes they go take with for Boya. But the IG, the legitimate one, is the fight for independence, and the Hague of Sea the fight for independence. So they must come together. If because of the sensitivity for them for hold power, for cling on to power, by holding on to power the way they go and hold on to power, it will only enable the enablers and collaborators for continue to undermine the efforts and for we for win. I give an example. They don't collect money for the bonds. I give example. Then decide to share that money for ground zero groups them. They give someone 1,000, someone 2,000. All those money them, it no translate for one AK-47. I mean all those money, because when you give those general that money, it will end up go for their personal pocket. You need to take responsibility for those forces. If you want day inside defense, you must take responsibility for their actions them, for monitor them, for make sure that they will use their weapons effectively. You must also guide them. You must also get specialists them for fit, give them mission. So this is the mission we want you to do, and you execute the mission. You know, if you just it not be enough for those collect money, give for group them. She done for diaspora became expected fight go so you go get independent. It doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. You need for design operations, design roadmap on how to use military force for attain an objective for independence. It not be enough for those collect money begin share and for group them, or collect money buy gun them. It not be enough. When I see the ADF be built for mimic a national army, now a trained force. The project for the ARA, I think it be done just run itself to the ground. You know, we don't attract that talent the way you need. I would not see how ADF don't bring general and the IVO and all this other one they had, they don't come. The IG, they don't allow Sako to take advantage for ground zero, for fill that vacuum. Now time for them for allow the ADF me run the things them. ADF not be just in one force. ADF na a conglomerate for many forces where they don't come under them. But it be based on some trained elite forces them, then get a good structure for discipline. When I see the leadership for General Efang. If we want a power for create government for ground zero, we'll get that capability to create a government for ground zero, even defend the government. But our objective not be for play politics, now for liberate Ambazonia make we get independence before the politicians if we can begin play their politics. So I go advise all na make una engage. Una take the time, una subscribe for the channel, for the website www.ttof.net and subscribe for donate monthly so that we go get enough money for move our soldiers them around tactically for be able to take over our country and to gain independence. God bless una. Make una stay strong, una chop fire, we stand up until independence is achieved.